Morning, this is Gracie Opulenza and I'm all about eccentric and opulence lifestyle. You can find out a lot more about me on gracieopulenza.com. We're here in the province of Umbria. I'm just outside Toddy where I'm staying, and this afternoon I thought let me go on a little bit of a tour. What do we got here? My goodness. Let me tell you something. If someone's bought that's lived in Italy, clearly someone's bought this. I don't know if it's private or not, and they're restoring it. I mean, you got to have millions, people. This is not the €1 restoration projects, but I would say that if the Italian government would make a new legislation and in that regards, let's say something like this, you buy it for €1, but you got to prove that you're going to have to spend about 20 million to get it up to standard, then it would move things along. Look at this. If you don't have millions and millions and money to spare, and I've met people, these projects will bankrupt you and consume you. Isn't that gorgeous? And that's Toddy up there. I've bought some beautiful wine locally, and I'm in a little village called Fuore. Look at this. I'm just going to go down here. The poppies. Isn't that just wonderful? So well done for this person that's bought it. I can see why they've bought it, and clearly they've got millions to do so. These places will send you bankrupt. I mean, it's grit, determination and passion. Grand design on another level. Wow. Just for the life of me, why would you? There's so many places in Italy that is crumbling. Less work, but again, when you fall into something and if you've got millions to spare, this is what you do. Painstakingly restore something. Grit, determination and passion. And then you've got your olive trees. I'm going to talk about olive oil, the pandemic of olive oil in Italy and Spain, 2 years in a row, diseases in Puglia, lack of rain. Prices of olive oil has doubled. Again, another attack on our food industry. We've got, you can have a look on my blog, coconuts have doubled in Thailand, screwing us over wherever we go. Look at this. Isn't this just gorgeous? And the stone. Just going to go this way. And down there, can you see the trees down there? I'm going to go down there. I have no idea what's down there, but that's a little castle. Have a look at this. Oh, I can get closer. Are they restoring it? What's it going to be? A hotel? Private own? Is this marble? What is this? Lots. Italy's depopulating. A lot of international people come and buy into Italy. I want to get down on those cypress trees to that castle and see what's going on there. This is going to be turned into a hotel, wellness. Millions, as I said, investors millions. It'll cost millions to get this to where it should be. And the time and the skill. Oh, welcome to Umbria. Now we're going to just go down where those beautiful cypress trees are. And let's see what's down there. I'm trying to find in Fuori my wine vineyard. I had some wine in the restaurant in Toddy, which I'll go back to, but I'd like to go to the vineyard. So there's, under the Umbria sun, putting Umbria on the map, it's beautiful. Isn't this gorgeous? You wouldn't have thought. If you haven't been to Umbria, don't come, because I'm going to invest here. I shouldn't put it on the map at all. Gorgeous. Oh, La Dolce Vita, agriculture, olive oil, rosemary. Beautiful. Signing off.